This time on Vintage Steel Garage, I show you how to do a simple helicoil repair. So this is what you get in a helicoil kit. This is a simple M6 helicoil kit. Now first of all, where you'd use a helicoil, basically what's happened here on this Porsche hub carrier, you can see there was a bolt here, a threading here, and this basically, the caliper was on here and it was just a brake pipe running down here, and it's basically the bolt was in. I went to undo it, steel and aluminium corrode, snapped the head off, I had the stud in there, so I've drilled the stud out, but of course in drilling that out you also drill the thread out as well. So I'm now going to put a helicoil insert in there. So I want to get it back to this M6 bolt that we've got. So what you get in the kit, you get a drill, oversized drill. So this drill is, let's have a look what it says actually on it. So it's just oversized drill, so I'll run that through, and then you've got the tap that goes through afterwards for the actual helicoil insertion tool, the break off tool, which I'll explain in a little bit. I don't think we'll be able to zoom in on that, but let's try. There's a little tab on the end, see if we can get it. No, we can't. There's a little tab on the end that you break off, and then the bolt will go all the way through, and then you get obviously some, I think about 30 helicoils, and that was all $8.99 off Amazon, so it's pretty cheap, easy repair to do. So let me show you how you do it. So this is a hole here we want to work on. So first of all, we just need to run through the drill bit. Now I think in this case I'm probably on about this hole size already, so we just need to try and get it square as possible. This isn't too crucial, this one, because this is just a locating tab for a brake pipe, so it's not like on a set reference where like these were exact spacing when I drill these ones. So you can see it hardly took any material off there, so that's already at the required size. Now all I need to do is run the tap through. So the only thing you don't actually get in the tap kit is one of these tap arms, so you just need to buy one of these to hold the tap in place. Right, so just put a little bit of lubricant on the hole and on the tap just to stop it binding. You want to make sure you've got it as square as you can in both planes, and then it's a case of just starting the tap off. You'll feel when it grips. We're going to have a bit of a problem here that's going to catch on this, so let me show you another way around this. So you can see I have to do a bit of improvisation. The actual tap bar was catching, so what I've done, I've just basically got the tap there, got a socket that's not a bad fit on the end, and then put that ratchet in there, and then I'm just going to use that to run through. The only thing I'm going to have to do with this is go backwards and forwards with the tap. And that's it all the way through. So back the tap off. So all you do with the insert, just take your special tool, slide the insert on like that, and screw it down. All you want to do is make sure that the thread insert is slightly below the surface. So that's in now, and what I was saying before was with a little tang on the back, that just needs knocking off. So basically, if you can see, here, let's get the focus. See there's a little tang on the back there, so this is just going to go through and punch that little barb off on the back, and the barb was simply there, so that had some purchase to actually turn and screw it in. So this is just simply a case of tapping this in, giving a quick tap, and there it's snapped off, and that's in place. Now we should be able to take our existing M6 screw and screw it in. There we go, simple repair. So there we go, simple helicoil repair. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and watch out for other videos with garage repairs, tips, work on the Porsche, work on the Dodge Dart and other things up and coming on this channel. Thank you. Bollocks.